Congratulations on receiving your new OrCam Read 3 device. Let's get to know the device better. To begin, please open the box. In the top compartment, you will find the user guide. Underneath it, you will find the OrCam Read device. Beneath the OrCam Read 3 device, in the bottom half of the box, you will find the charger of the OrCam Read 3. Under the charger, you will also find a cleaning cloth, a case, and a lanyard for cleaning, carrying, and securing your device. All the essentials to get started and safeguard your device.